Hello crafters and welcome to today's video. I'm Michelle Brown, Creative Director from Picture to Page and Beyond Paper Craft Shows, and today we are here to share our Happy Mail card swap. So for those of you that are just stumbling across us for the first time, I'm Creative Director from Picture to Page and Beyond Paper Craft Shows, and we thought we would spread a little bit of love and happiness through these challenging times across Victoria and New South Wales and of course the ACT and in many corners of Australia by sharing a little bit of card makers love. So everyone that is participating is making a lovely card. They're sending it to me. I'm going to open them and share them with you, and then I'm going to do a big swap and send you all back some love from a fellow crafter. So today we're going to delve into the first 20 or so cards. Now I have opened the envelopes, but I haven't had a look at them all, so I'm really looking forward to opening them and sharing them with you. And like we said, sharing a bit of that happy, because why should I have all the joy when I can share it with you as well? So are you ready? Any questions, anything you want to know, or if it's yours, tell us hi. Pop in the comments just like Pam has, Christine, Marilyn and Wendy, and of course if you're watching a replay as well, pop anything in the comments and of course we'll follow up. If you do want to participate in the P2P Crafts Happy Mail card swap, all the details are over at our website from picturetopageandbeyond.com.au. You need to get your entries in the post by Friday the 3rd of September 2021, and of course we'll give the post a few days and then we'll try and get them out by that following Friday. So hold on to your scissors and card making things and hopefully a cup of tea, and let's jump in. Okay. Now hopefully you can still hear me. We've done a few modifications to the set and I'm worried I'm going to get everything muddled up. So let's see how we go. Okay, so this first one was from Janine and she did a fantastic job. This was sent in, now hopefully this is going to focus on me. This was sent in and arrived like the middle of last week, so she did a fantastic job. And look at that. Oh, hopefully that's going to focus okay. We've got two beautiful birds. We've got this beautiful wood textured background here. And isn't that just lovely? Now, Janine's a Stampin' Up demonstrator and we can see some beautiful Stampin' Up products there. Now I'm going to pop that back in the envelope. I'm so worried that I'm going to get these muddled up and then I'm going to get myself into a big mess. Although maybe I should just throw them all up in the air and then see how we go. This is from Lisa. Look at that. We've got some beautiful hello, aloha stamp in the background. And some nice little different arty things. Oh, and that's quite an interesting background. So Lisa, if you're there, let us know how you made that. I'm reckoning, that's really good English, isn't it, everyone? I think that is some sort of a spray, maybe distressed or oxides. And I can see a little bit of, Michelle, embossing stuff around here, a border. Oh my goodness. This is going to be a long afternoon, isn't it? If I can't even get my words right. Okay, next we have, we've got a few multiple entries. This one is from, who is this one from? Oh, I think we've got, this is from Kerry. So here we've got a beautiful bloom. This has got a really nice little finish in it. And I really like that background paper. Oh, maybe it's double-sided. See how it's been folded back? So there's that one. And what else is in here? Oh, this one. Now, I may have had a sneak at this one because I couldn't quite figure out how to open it. But how clever is this? So the frame actually folds like this and then comes apart like that. So how clever is that? Thank you, Kerry. And I just do love these die-cut frames with the little edging. Can you see that? The little stitching. I think that's really beautiful. Okay, let me get both of those back in. Okay, next we have this one from, not sure who this one is from. A little note. This one is from Desmond. Thank you. Look at that. Oh, I like that green. Of course, everyone knows green's my favourite. A little note. And I like, can you see how that's sort of stamping up as well? Stamping up, sitting up. Oh my goodness. So yeah, so that's, it's just a little bit of that foam tape can make a really big difference to a card by putting that extra layer in. Okay, next we have one from Janine. Oops, there is the envelope that I don't want to. Oh, look, we've got a family of owls. How beautiful. And they've got beautiful eyes. Oh, I wonder if that was some fabric or maybe a napkin, not sure. Excellent. Thanks, Janine. Okay, next we have one, oh, another one from Kerry. Oh my goodness, look at this. Is that focusing okay? Look at all these layers. Oh, hang on. Oh my goodness, can you see that? I'll hold it like that so you can see. It's one of those, I'm sure that's got like a foldy card thing, but it's like a little picnic. Remember when we used to have picnics? Ah, the good old days. Oh, Kerry, that's fantastic. Thank you. Okay, this one, I'm not sure who this one's from. This one, oh, it's from Desmond as well. Oh, let's get that out. Look at that. We've got a little 3D person. Oh, that's quite clever. And then using the vellum, I guess we'd call it. Oh, there we go. And he's on that side too. Oh, that's really clever. Excellent. Thanks, Desmond. Okay, next we've got one that's all come from Bayswater. I'm guessing that's not who made it. Okay. Again, we've got one from, oh, no. Okay, there's no address on that. That's going to be challenging. Okay, I'm going to have to work that one out. What have we got? Oh, there we go. Ah, clever. So it's got a cut in it, and then it's a, oh, come on, focus. There we go, there we go. So it lays flat, and then it comes, isn't that pretty colours? Look at that background. And all the beautiful colours, the beautiful seashells. Excellent, but I'm not sure who that's from. Let me see if I can find a name. Oh, hang on. Yes, it's from Lynn. Excellent, thank you, Lynn. A tower card, thanks, Tracy. Okay, so that I'm going to have to sort out. This one. Oh, is it the same handwriting as the other one? Yes, Marilyn, so much work has. Oh, another one from Desmond. Oh, look at that. Oh, a lighthouse, I love that. And again, just shows you how effectively you can create that background by cutting the card up. Excellent, thank you. And thank you for putting them all in separate envelopes. It does make my life a little bit simpler when I go to swap them. This one, oh, it's from Heidi. Look at that. Darling, you are a work of art. And can you see, can I get that to catch the light? It's got, I'm not sure if the camera can pick it up, but it's got sparkles on it. I can see them. Can you see them? I can't tell whether the camera's picking up the sparkles or not. Okay, you might just have to believe me. It's got sparkles on it. Excellent. And look at all these beautiful butterflies. She's got such pretty wings. Thank you, Heidi. Okay, this one's from Liffen. Oh, look at that. Which way am I going? This way? That way. Oops. Maybe I should. Okay, this way. Isn't that beautiful? Look at this paper. That's got such a nice texture on it. And again, the punch and just using it around different ways to give you that real 3D look. Oh, and there's a bit of glitter on that as well. Pretty. And again, ways to use your strips. You know, as card makers, we just don't throw anything away, do we? Okay, and this one is from, not sure, hang on. From Sharon, just for you. Oh, lovely little edges, I like that. You see that? Just for you. And then we've got some little crystals on the flower as well. Thank you, Sharon. Okay, I've got a couple in here. This is from Chris. Am I going to be able to pull these apart? Okay, so we've got this one. Like I said, I haven't opened these either, so I'm finding them the same time as you are. Hello, friend. And that's got, what have I got? Oh, yep, there we go. There we go. Oh, isn't that effective? So it's essentially sort of in thirds across the front, but that folded back. So when you open it, it goes like that. Ah, lovely. And this one, follow your dreams. Look at that shading on the background. Nice. And okay, I think that's it. Thank you, Chris. Okay, and another one that's got a few entries in it. Oh, this is from, who was this one from? Oh, this is from Lee Allen. Lee Allen. So thinking of you. Oh, isn't that a pretty colour orange? I like that. And we've got Best Life. Oh, with a belly band. It's slipping down a little bit. Oh, isn't that pretty? Look at those poppies. And you always have a way of making my day. Oh, lovely. And the beautiful purples. Look at that background. And then the grapes. Ah, excellent. Thank you, Lee. Okay, then this one. Look at this envelope. How amazing is this? And this one was from, who was this one from? This one was from, that's right, Barb. Look at that. Can you see? This is actually is it metallic card or has it got no, metallic. She's put a bit of spray on it, so it's got a little bit of a shine. Can you see that? It's hard to get it to catch the light. Oh, there you go. You can just see it there. And again, how effective, that little sort of blossom, those beautiful papers. And I really like that embossing folder too. It's got a bit of a grungy edge. Just a note to say hello. Thank you, Barb. Okay, and this one is from, oh my goodness, look at that. I've got a little tag there. I think this is from Chris, was it? No, Carol, sorry. From Carol. Isn't that amazing? And again, can you see, come on camera, you can just see, like here we've got a little bit of gold sparkle, a bit of glitter, and a little, oh, it even says sparkle, and there's a little bit of sparkle here too. Oh, how pretty. Thanks, Carol. Okay, and this one is from the lovely Karen. She sent us a little collection too. So we've got a lovely happy, and look at this. Isn't that just so pretty? That's really effective with all the colours across it. There's just something about rainbow colours, isn't there? And then friendship card. Oh, that looks like it might, hang on. That might, what am I trying to do? Oh, yes, it's got that little bit of a opening in it. Bit of an easel card. And the butterfly. Oh, I like that heart too. Oh, and I like that offset. See how that, again, rather than putting it in the middle, just putting it up a bit creates that little bit of interest. Excellent. Thanks, Karen. Get those back into there. And, oh, I'll leave that one to last. And this one is, oh, not sure who this one's from either. Oh, look at that. Sending you a smile. And that is from Alexandra. Thank you, Alexandra. Look at these pretty papers. And can you see this is a metallic? You can see the light catching here. Now this last one, I will admit that I opened it because when I received it, I thought someone might have been pushing the boundaries, but Kerry's done another lovely job of sending it, and she sent this one to me as a gift. But hold on to your horses, everybody. Hang on, maybe I should move the basket. Look at this. It looks like just a plain little card on top, but look what happened when you open it. Dun, 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 dun. How amazing is that? Thank you so much, Kerry. That is just amazing. So it's got a zigzag spine, so it's like, I think we would have called it a flag card or like a tab book. And then each of these has the beautiful rounded edges and the thing. And these, can you see the texture in these letters? It's actually got, I'm not sure whether the card's got that texture or whether the, again, can I get the light to catch it? Or whether the die's got it, but it's got a bit of a wood grain in it. And she's done thank you and Michelle, and thankfully my name wasn't any longer. So Kerry, that is just amazing. There we go, and we get it all back together again. So Kerry, if you're watching and if you had a tutorial or if there's any more you can tell us about that, please let us know. That is just an amazing little creation. So I hope you enjoyed that sneak peek at our first couple of deliveries of the Peter P. Craft Happy Mail. Like we said, it's still not too late to join in the swap. So send a card. All the details are over at our website from picture2pageandbeyond.com.au. Get it in the post by Friday. We'll do another opening next Monday afternoon so we can share a little bit of the happy and hopefully It's happiness that we can all take on board. So again, come and watch the replay, look at the colours, see what people have done. I think there's some great ideas there for, perhaps using some of those little strip offcuts and putting them in different angles, making little patterns out of them, offsetting your image rather than having it right in the middle, because sometimes we work so hard to try and get it perfectly aligned. So maybe don't. Sit it off to the side. Of course, a little bit of sparkle goes a long way as well. So thank you all so much for joining us, and I hope you've got a little bit of inspiration from that. I'm so looking forward to seeing your entry. Like I said, entries close Friday the 3rd of September, and we do not mind what level of card making you are at, whether you're just starting or whether you've been doing it for ages. We would love for you to send a card along and share some of that happy mail. So of course, as we said, all the details are on our website from picture2pageandbeyond.com.au, and if any of your cards are there and you want to share your technique, again, head over to the Papercraft Posse group and let us know where you got your inspiration from. So this is Michelle signing off. We hope you have a crafty day.